I added about 1 liter of milk to my pot. Then I'm adding 4 lightly heaped tablespoons of flour. Next, I'm adding 3 lightly heaped tablespoons of starch. I'm adding the yolk of 1 egg. And I'm mixing well with a whisk until the flour and starch are no longer lumpy. Then I turn on the stove and stir continuously until it starts to boil. Once it starts to boil, I add 1 cup of granulated sugar. I keep stirring a little longer until the sugar dissolves. Then I simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat, stirring occasionally. I remove it from the heat. Meanwhile, I want to prepare the kadaif. I placed 3 tablespoons of butter in a pan and melted it. I'm adding 5 tablespoons of sugar. I'm adding 1.5 cups of coarsely ground hazelnuts. You can use walnuts instead of hazelnuts. I roast the hazelnuts and sugar for about 1 to 2 minutes. I used ready toasted kadaif. I'm adding about 200 grams of toasted kadaif. I mix well and remove it from the heat. I add 1 packet of liquid cream to the pudding that has slightly cooled down. I'm adding 1 packet of vanilla and whipping it on high speed for 3 to 4 minutes. Then I decided to use a springform pan. But you can also use a regular glass dish. I placed 1/3 of the kadaif at the bottom of the pan. I pour half of the pudding on top and spread it. Then I spread some of the remaining kadaif on top again. I pour the remaining pudding on top and smooth it out. I pour the rest of the kadaif on top again and spread it using a spoon. Then I refrigerate it and let it chill for about 3 to 4 hours. After that, it's ready to be served. As you can see, I run a knife around the edge to release it easily. Look, as you can see, it came out of the mold easily. Now the pudding kadaif is ready to serve. I hope you try it and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell. Thanks for watching.